now we are going to be opening Frozen 2 Color Wonder Mess-Free coloring book. So let's get started. You can see the markers I unboxed on my previous video. So we are just going to unbox my Frozen 2 coloring book. Ooh. I found the colors that came, so you can see them. And I'm just gonna do this coloring one with you guys. This one looks beautiful, so I'm doing Olaf. Yay! Olaf is one of our favorite characters, so we are doing him. So I'm gonna just show you guys it. Oh. It appears, can't you see? It appears slowly, guys. So it should appear slowly for you guys. So if it doesn't come out very after you colored it, it doesn't it just comes after a little while. Don't worry, because that's how the Color Wonder markers are, and it doesn't come out of the paper. So yeah, so nice, so nice. And we're going to color Olaf here. Now we are just going to color in Olaf's nose. It's a carrot nose. So I'm going to use this orange marker that came with the set. His nose, because his nose is very orange, guys. So yeah, why not? Then we just need to do his eyebrows and his arms, and we're done! Yay! Just colouring him. His orange nose is very nice. Now we just got the brown we used for the buttons. We're just going to use this for the arms again, because the arms really need this brown color for it. So yeah, we are doing that. Oh, this is kind of hard, guys, with getting inside the lines. So sorry if I didn't get this inside the lines very badly. I am very bad at getting them inside the lines while using this, because it's kind of hard because you didn't it just appears. So yeah, the normal sketches I'm good. So yeah, with these crayola wonder ones, I'm not that good. Okay, now we are going to color in the eyebrows, the same color. This one. I just forgot we are using brown again. Okay, done. Done. So here's my final one. Oh, I forgot to color in this bit. I'm gonna leave all of it in that color, but actually I'm gonna put this icy. So we're just gonna use this very nice blue color, or I could use this blue color. As you can see, I'm gonna use this because it's more of an icy color, so I'm gonna use this color, this turquoisey color. As you can see, this one is very smaller than this one. See, it's very small, so I'm just gonna color it in. This is gonna take some time because it is I do not want to rush mine. So yeah, I'm just gonna quickly spread it. I'm just gonna go like this. So it's when it appears, So it kind of looks like the icy. Guys, you can see it. Now you can see it now. Now I'm just gonna put on this side. Okay, so we're just gonna color this bit in. And here we go. We've colored in Olaf. It is very, I love this picture I've colored in. Give this video a like if you liked my picture, and subscribe to this channel if you like the video, and like this video if you like the video.